Today I'm going to show you how to install Claude CLI in your Windows. In Google, you have to type Claude CLI Windows and then you can scroll. You will come on this website, Advanced Setup. Click here. This is the Claude Code document setup. If you come here and scroll down, you will see the installation. If you are using Mac, you can use this command. And since we are going to install this in Windows, I'm going to copy it from here. And now you have to open PowerShell, not command prompt. You can see PowerShell here. So in search, type PowerShell and just right click, press enter. The installation should start now. It can take a few minutes. Let's wait. It is saying setting up Claude Code. Installing Claude Code native build latest. Setting up launcher and shell integration. Claude Code successfully installed. This is the location where it has been installed. Now next, Claude Code help to get started. I'll just simply check Claude, then version. Is giving some, oh yes. Okay, I have written here 3/, sorry, my mistake. Now press enter. So this Claude Code or Claude CLI is installed. Now we have to do the configuration, that is we have to set up the API key. For that, I'll go here to my this PC. You have to go here, this PC, click on this C drive. Then you have to click on users, your username, whatever your username is. Then you will see this new folder is created.claude. You have to open this, and here, this is the important part, settings. You have to open the settings here. Right now you see this only auto updates channel latest, but what you have to do, you have to put here your API keys. And how you do that? So I have in this notepad, so you can copy this env. What you have to do, you have to provide the base URL of your Anthropic, and then you have to put the API key here. Now there are different versions, so this is the standard format. You must have these 3 lines. Now if you are using some other provider, in my case I am going to use MiniMax API key, so they provide this API key for Claude CLI. What you have to do, in my case I am telling you, this is their website, minimax.io. First you have to write api.minimax.io/anthropic. Then the token that I have got from there, that is the API key that I will put here. The model name that I am going to use, so I will use their model MiniMax M3. That is why here you see their model name, and also the URL is from their website. And if you are using from Anthropic only. So you just have to provide your token. You have to copy and paste this one, and you have to just provide your API key and the model that will you will use from Anthropic. For example, Claude 185 or any other model. And for any other provider, you can just take their base URL. So you have to just remove this MiniMax and you can put their base URL, then their token and the model name that you will be using from that website. So it is that easy. You just have to do that. So let me just copy this from here. I will be using this, and then I will go here. I'll just remove this. I'll paste it here. And now I have to just fill the API key that I will get from the website. And that's it. You have to do this control save and then just close that. Now your setup is done. You can come back to your terminal and you can start your Claude. So how to start? You will just write here Claude and it will start. So it will ask you whether you trust this folder. You can just press yes, that is enter, and Claude will start. Right now it will not give me answer because I have not set up the API key here. So I will just write here hi, and I should get some error. API error because I have not set the API. That I will do after this video, or maybe I can do the setup and then show you the output. Just wait, I'll pause this video for a minute and I'll set up the API key and come back. I have set my API key and let me try now. I'll write again hi. And here you can see I got the output. Hey, what can I do for you? Or I can just ask what is the capital of India. The capital of India is New Delhi. This is how you can just set up your Claude CLI and you can start working with. I'm going to make a series on this Claude CLI and I will be making a lot of projects. So you can keep watching my videos and you will learn a lot in the upcoming days. And that I'm using is from this website minmax.io. You can come and you can create your account and generate token. The model that I'm using is MinMax 3. It is a very powerful model. It is multi-model. It works with language, video, speech, and music. It has 1 million context. You can come sign up and try. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.